Good morning, students, and welcome to the e-classes for standard 9th. Okay, and before going ahead, let me tell you this year I am going to take care of your English. Okay, so before we going ahead and see the lessons and everything, before going into the textbook and pattern and everything, few instructions I am giving. So remember these instructions and follow this. Okay, the first thing, whenever you will get the video, means when we will be in class, that time definitely you will have textbooks and everything. But as far as e-classes are going on, so whenever before seeing the video, always keep textbooks with you. Okay, second thing, what you have to do now, some questions are there which are given in your lessons. Okay, so you will find some margin questions are given, some warming up activities are given, some workshops are given. Okay, so to a larger extent, what you have to do, you have to solve your activity. See, for example, what I'm going to show you. This is first poem, Life. I don't know whether you will be able to see it or not. This is life. Now in that life, if you will see, this exercise is given. Okay, this exercise is given. What you can do, this exercise you can complete in your textbook only. Understood? Because now we are not able to meet. So what you can do, in spite of writing this in notebook, because enough space is given here, you can write this in textbook only. Now some along with this, some questions are given. So for example, these are the questions. Now this question, for this question there is no space given in your textbook or in your course book, rather I would say. Okay, so what you have to do for solving this, you will have to make a notebook, and in notebook you will have to write this question answers. Means, for example, in each lesson you will find some writing skill works are given. For example, if you have to write a letter, story, something, that you will write in notebook. But the activities which you can complete in textbook, you can complete in textbook itself. Now how will I check it? I will check directly your textbook only. Understood? Okay. So before going ahead, or before starting our textbook, I would like to tell you few things. What are these few things? See, when I hope all of you have purchased textbooks. So when you will open your textbook, before that, do one thing, some reading skill, writing. See, on this page, some information is given on the very first page of your textbook. Okay, second page I hope means. So what you have to do, you have to read all that things. As a result, what will happen, you will get an idea that how your syllabus is designed for 9th and 10th. Okay. One more thing, at the end of the textbook, see, you can see on page number 109. Okay, on page number 109, language study is given. So what you can do, you will have to read this, you have to refer this language study also along with this. Okay, now so before starting the textbook, I would like to tell you the pattern of English paper for standard 9th and standard 10th. Okay, so let me tell you, your paper is going means your paper will be of 100 marks. Obviously, out of that 100 marks, 20 marks for your assignments. Okay, and whatever oral activities are there, and there would be a written paper of 80 marks. Okay, now what will be the syllabus, or what are the things that will come in assignment, that I will tell you personally in class. That I am not going to tell you in video, because we have time for that, during Diwali vacations, and at the end of the school we have to do that activities, and that's why we have enough time for that. So I am not going to discuss about that right now. Today what I am going to discuss about, so I am going to discuss about the evaluation pattern or the pattern of your question paper. Now in your question paper you will find a total say 7 questions. Okay, in that 7 question you will find first question would be of language study, which I told you is present on page number 109. Okay, so language study would be the first question. That first question would be for 10 marks. Okay, now in that 10 marks there would be 2 questions, one A, another B. In A you will find 2 questions, A1, A2 and B. In A1 carries 4 marks, A2 carries 4 marks and B carries 2 marks. In that way first question of language study would be of 10 marks. Okay, very good. Then you will find question number 2. Now in question number 2 you will find 2 passages. Actually question number 2 would be scene passages, textual passages. Okay, and in that you will find 2 passages of 10 marks, 10 marks each, means of 20 marks. And each passage you will find 5 questions, means in exam you will get 2 passages. Okay, in each passage you will get 5 questions. Each question will carry 2 marks at least. I am talking about board's pattern for 80 marks. As you know, in unit test we conduct an exam for 50 marks. So pattern would be same, only the marking scheme will change according to the convenience and according to the portion and everything. We will decide that. That is another thing. I am telling you the pattern of the board. Okay, so that will be question number 2. Then you will find a question number 3 as poetry. Okay, in poetry again you will find 2 questions. First question will be poem for comprehension. What you will find? Poem for comprehension, question answers and all such things will come. In that 3A you will get 3 questions. You will get 3 questions. And in 3B you will find appreciation of poem. Now this is new for you. What is appreciation of poem? So how to write that appreciation, what you have to do in that, I will teach you that. Don't worry about that. But it will be of 5 marks. Okay, and 3A will be of 5 marks and 3B will also be of 5 marks. So 5 plus 5, 10, means question number 3 will be of 10 marks. Okay, then comes question number 4. Question number 4 will be non-textual passage. Understood? Non-textual passage, unseen passage we see. In that again you will find 2 questions in question number 4. 4A would be unseen passage. Understood? 4A would be unseen passage. In that you will find again 5 questions. Now which are these questions? You know, there are variety of questions. Actually your syllabus is very huge, we can say, because variety of questions are there in grammar also. Language studies nothing but a grammar. In passage also you will find grammar questions. Lot of grammar sections, grammar activities are given. Okay, even in question, the 5 questions which I am talking about, there also you will find simple factual question, complex factual question, verbal based question, language study question and personal response question. These were the 5 type of question, and in each question again there are varieties are there, that we will see in class. But for now you just understand कि in question number 4 again you will get 2 questions. Okay, question number 4A unseen passage, 5 questions would be there. Question number 4B would be summary writing. What? Summary writing or preface writing, what we call. What you have to do, the unseen passage which will be given, you will have to write the summary of the same passage. Okay, that will be of 5 marks. Unseen passage for 10 marks. Means this question number 4 carries 15 marks. Understood? Then after this it comes your question number 5. and before question number 5 your writing skill starts. Before means with your question number 5 writing skill starts. In question number 5 now you will find different writing skill activities. For example, question number 5a and question number 5a1, A1 and A2, question number 5 A1 and A2 will be your letter writing. Understood? Will be your letter writing, one formal, one informal. Okay, that carries 5 marks. Then question number 6. In question number 6 you will again find 2 questions. In question number 6a, you will find verbal to non-verbal, and question number 6a2 you will find non-verbal to verbal. Now what is verbal to non-verbal, what is non-verbal to verbal, don't worry about that, we are going to see that, and some of the activities you already know. Verbal to non-verbal means a paragraph would be given, you will have to change that into diagrammatic form. That is A1, question number 6 A1. Question number 6 A2 would be diagrammatic form would be given, you will have to change into passage. Okay, this will be option question, either you can solve A1 or you can solve A2. It is optional, means options would be there, choice would be there. Okay, then question number 6b will come. In question number 6b you will find speech writing as A1 and view counter view as A2. A1, yes. A1 as a speech writing, and oblique option for the speech writing is view or counter view. So either of that you can write. B1 would be speech writing, B2 would be view counter view. Now view counter view is a new thing for you, that I will teach you, then only you will understand. But as far as speech writing, I hope you know what is speech writing is, that you will understand. After that you will find question number 7. In question number 7 again you will find question number 7a and question number 7b. In question number 7a again A1 and A2. In A1 you will find expand the ideas or expand the theme. Okay, that we will discuss what is expand the idea. And in question number 7a2 you will find writing a news report. Okay, writing a news report, that I hope many of you know. Question number 7b you will find writing a story. Now stories are of 2 types. One would be a story in which beginning and ending line would be given, you will have to continue the story. That is 7a. 7b would be the narrating an incident, we can say. Means a situation would be given to you and you will have to narrate that situation. In that way you will have to write, and that would be question number 7b. Okay, so in this way your 80 marks paper. Okay, writing skill, all the activities of writing carries 5 marks. Means letter, information transfer, that is verbal to non-verbal, non-verbal to verbal, then report writing, speech writing, whatever activities are there, all carries 5 marks each. Okay, so in this way we are going to, or you are going to study your English, and I am going to teach you all these things. Okay, so in tomorrow's video we will start our first poem. Okay, that is page number 2, life. So